Yo people, wagwan. Welcome back to Jamaica Joan Charts. Today, we're taking you to Lilliput, St. James, where the Unico Hotel is currently under construction. As a matter of fact, many people have been asking for an update on this construction site. But I just didn't get a chance to do one, even though I promised a few weeks ago. Last week, a subscriber commented on another video. He said, boy, I look like you give up on Unico, man. But no, I haven't given up. So I'm fulfilling the promise today. So here is an update on the Unico Hotel. And we will also be looking at the construction site next door. A lot has been said about what is going there. Is it the Moon Palace Hotel? Is it the Hard Rock Hotel? Is it something else? Well, continue to watch if you want to hear it. The hotel is really starting to take shape now, and you can clearly see how the overall layout is coming together. Most of the smaller buildings already have their roofs in place, giving a good sense of the final look. Meanwhile, the towers that will house the guest rooms now have reached roofing level. You can see the framing for the roofs going up. So in just a few more weeks, we can expect that these structures will be fully covered. We are now looking at the northern end of the hotel, which is actually the beachfront area. Here you can see work underway on the pools and swim-up bars. In fact, this section of the project is at a pretty advanced stage. You can already get a clear sense of how the pools and the bars are going to look once completed. Just to the west of the Unico, work has now started on the foundation of what appears to be a separate project from the hotel itself. In a previous video, I had mentioned that this land was being cleared for the Hard Rock Hotel. Since then, I have seen several videos referring to this as the construction of a new Moon Palace Hotel, which is planned for St. James. However, from reliable sources, I have learned that the Hard Rock Hotel received approval almost 2 years ago from the authorities, while my inside sources have not yet confirmed any official approval for a Moon Palace Hotel at this site. So, unless this structure turns out to be an extension of the Unico Hotel, it is more than likely the Hard Rock Hotel now under construction. In this shot, we can see that piles have already been driven for the structure that's being built. Piles are commonly used to support buildings with heavy loads, such as skyscrapers. They are also used in situations where the soil near the surface isn't strong enough to support a building on its own, so the load is transferred deeper down to more stable grounds, ideally to a bedrock. So today we looked at the great progress being made on the construction of the Unico Hotel, as well as the foundation work for another structure, most likely the Hard Rock Hotel. Are you excited about these projects? And how do you think the community of Lilliput will benefit from these new developments? I would love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Of course, I am not going to have you waiting this long again.